Soak my sugar snap peas.
What a busy day. So we're at the end of our day here today, and we thought today would be a great time to announce the contest for the poems. A lot of people even emailed us and they're wondering what's going on. They hit us up on Facebook, and it was just so hard to pick a winners. So Stacy took some extra time. We even got Aunt B involved, her aunt, and she read them and listened to them. And
she was like, I don't know, they're all so good. They were so good.
So as always,
you guys are all like awesome.
And we thank all you guys for sending in your poems and your essays.
And we like them so much that we may even put some of them in the cookbook that I'm doing.
Yeah, so if we pick some that we might put in the cookbook, we'll actually probably write you a letter and make sure that that's okay. But yeah, we thought that would be a cool touch and a cool idea to insert them throughout the cookbook. So Stacy was in charge of this. Don't blame me for anything. I'm in charge of the Homestead Homie of the Month. She's in charge of this one. So what you got?
Okay, so one of the people who won the contest is Elena Inglis from Missouri. Yay,
a homegirl.
Yay for Elena. And another one is Marlita Holt, and she's from Indiana.
She's, yeah, 13.
And then Joanna Rice from California, and she got it too. So 3 of the winners, and that's who they are, and they were wonderful. Wonderful, along with all the other ones. It was so hard to pick. That's what took me so long, but these are the ones I picked.
Hey, don't blame me. But all of them were really good. I really enjoyed reading them all, and so did Stacy, and we really do, again, appreciate you guys sending them in. Don't forget to check us out on
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
And as always, thanks a lot for spending time here on our channel, watching our videos. We have some at the end of this scene here that you might want to click onto and continue watching some of our videos. If you're new to our channel, you might just want to get caught up and check out how we do things as we live off-grid in the Midwest in a log cabin with no solar power or wind turbines. Until we see you guys on the next video, hope you're having a great day, and hopefully you got your plants in the ground.
Don't go yet. And we'll get a hold of you guys who won the contest.
Oh yeah, yeah.
For sure.
It's coming your way.
Yeah. With a little surprise. See you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.